Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the net. Pin the traced blouse pattern onto the fabric so it won't shift. Once pinned, place the section in a small hoop to flatten the mesh and thread your needle with fine cotton thread for net Aari. Start with a secure knot at the inner seam line, then make long, evenly spaced chain stitches along the pattern. This defines the motif. Make sure to keep tension light so the net doesn't pucker or tear as you work. You now move to filling and detailing. Outline every motif first using chain Aari to create a strong border, then switch to satin or herringbone Aari for dense fills. This gives body without weight. Once done with fills, add selective beads or sequins, anchoring each with 2 to 3 small backstitches so they sit flush. While stitching, rotate the hoop and adjust fabric to keep stitches even. If your tension changes, pause and retension the net to avoid uneven puckers. You finish by joining the embroidered panels. Align patterns based with long stitches, then sew final seams with small, even 1/4 stitches, reinforcing shoulders and armholes. Once sewn, press gently through a pressing cloth at low temperature. Never iron net directly to set stitches. If you spot puckering or stretched areas, stop, remove stitches across the affected row, retension the hoop, and restitch 1 to 2 rows with lighter tension. This corrects distortion without weakening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.